Poppy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing a new collection from Madam Glam. It is their Summer Rush collection. This collection is really interesting because it has some glow in the dark gel polishes, so let's hop right on into this. So this here is what this collection is looking like, and I'm loving like the new packaging that they have as well. So this collection does include 8 different polishes. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these 4 polishes are glow in the dark polishes, and then these 4 polishes are cat eye polishes. So let's take a closer look at each one. Okay, so the first color we have here is Party Poppy. How fun is that? And it has the Statue of Liberty on here. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is a really beautiful, vibrant, peachy color. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to see the glow in the dark effect on these, you guys. So pretty. Next color we have is Frosting Fun. That's a cute name. And this has French fries on it. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. A beautiful kind of like teal or jade green. Teal blue slash teal green kind of color. Very pretty. Or minty maybe. Very cute though. Next we have Birthday Bash. Love that. And this looks like a bluish color. This has popcorn on it. Okay. Oh yeah, this is like it's like a blue that has like purple undertones to it. That's very pretty. I'm also really loving the brush on these. These brushes have that roundness to it, which I love because it makes it really easy to get into the corners when you are doing your nails. The next color we have here is Lush and Lively. Ooh, love that name. And this has a taxi on it. Oh, look at this color. Oh, I love this. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the Big Apple. Love this green so much. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Sugar Rush. And this one here is a cat eye. The last couple polishes are going to be cat eye polishes. Oh, how pretty. It's a really gorgeous pink. It's a light, dainty pink color. Very pretty. Next color we have here is Fiesta Fizz. This has a cute little donut on it. Ooh, cute. Another beautiful orange color here. It's a cute little orange glitter. And again, it is cat eye. So cute. Wish Glow. And this has a movie. Oh, lovely. This here is a gorgeous green. This looks like a St. Patty's Day green. And last but not least, we have Berry Bliss. And this has a movie reel on it. Oh, cute. It's a really beautiful, nice purple glitter color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these swatched out so we can take a closer look at each one. Party Poppy. Look how pigmented that is. Wow. This is a gorgeous color. My goodness. Look at that. Definite one coat coverage. Wow. Frosting Fun. Beautiful. Again, these are very pigmented. I love this color. So pretty. These are like perfect summertime colors. And the fact that they glow make them even better. Birthday Bash. Look at that. Gorgeous. This does remind me of some of the colors they do have in their collection already. I think there's like a New York blue that they have that this looks kind of similar to. This is really gorgeous. I love that. Lush and Lively. Very pretty. Love this. Gorgeous color here. Beautiful. I love that green. Sugar Rush. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. And it's really pigmented too. It's a bit more pigmented than I had expected it to be. Self levels beautifully. And let's see if we can get the cat eye activated. Oh, look at that, y'all. Cute. Fiesta Fizz. Very cute. I love that. Cat eye is very subtle in it though. Yeah, there we go. Wish Glow. Very beautiful. That's a beautiful, beautiful green. Oh wow, I love that. A St. Patty's Day green. There's the cat eye here. Oh, look at that. Super cute. I love that. Berry Bliss. Super cute. I love these cat eyes. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swatched out. This is a really beautiful, fun, bright summer collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys up closes of each color. The first color here is a Party Poppy, and I love this. It's a really beautiful, vibrant, peachy color. Yeah, that's just super cute. Love that. Birthday Bliss, which is this really beautiful blue that has purple undertones to it. Frosting Fun. I guess this is a mint green or jade color. Either way, it's really beautiful. It's giving mint vibes. Super, super cute. I love this. Lush and Lively, which is this gorgeous green. Like I said, this green kind of reminds me a little bit of Big Apple, but very, very beautiful. Next we have Berry Bliss, and this is this really beautiful purple cat eye. And you guys, I actually got this collection mixed up. The cat eye polishes are the ones that glow in the dark, not the creams. So I'm going to show you guys towards the end what these look like glowing in the dark, and they're absolutely beautiful. But this is what that cat eye looks like, and because these glow in the dark, I did want to get an idea of what both would look like, cat eye and just as a regular polish. And so this is what that same color looks like when you don't activate the cat eye magnets in it, and just either way that purple looks really, really beautiful. Wish Glow, which is this gorgeous green cat eye, and again, this does glow in the dark. Like, how fun is this? And this is what it would look like without activating the cat eye. So both with or without the cat eye activated, absolutely gorgeous green. Fiesta Glow, which is this gorgeous orange cat eye color. I feel like the cat eye magnets in this isn't as strong as the other two, but this is what it would look like if you did not activate the cat eye at all. And it's a gorgeous glitter, and it's a gorgeous orange glitter. And then last but not least, we have Sugar Rush, which is a really beautiful pink cat eye. But again, like I said, the cat eye effect in this isn't as strong as the first two. But as a pink glitter, it is absolutely gorgeous. And so, yeah, y'all, this collection is great. And like I said, these here are the 4 cat eyes that glow in the dark. I'm going to insert a picture over here and a little slight video to show you guys what that glow effect looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to get some more out of these and wear these as some glow polishes. I'm really happy that Madam Glam came out with these, and it was such a smart move for them. So yeah, y'all, this is a really beautiful collection. I think this is one that's definitely worth snagging, especially if for nothing else, those glow in the dark cat eye polishes. I don't think I've ever seen any glow in the dark cat eyes. Those are so beautiful. But yeah, I loved all the cream colors. I loved all the cat eyes, and I loved the glow effects to them. Special shout out to Madam Glam for sending these polishes over for review. I can't wait to see what other cool, fun polishes they come out with next. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam in case you guys want to save some coin. I am going to leave it here on the screen, as well as in the description box below, in case you guys want to get your hands on any of these really cool and amazing polishes. So you guys, let me know which color was your favorite color from this collection. I love them all, to be honest with you. And yes, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!